What was your dream job?
So I'll say to be 24-25 you have to do something. वर्क प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है, होम प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है, बहुत चीज़ें बढ़ जाती हैं।
वो मेरे दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस पे कॉल करो।
सैलरी से
Yeah, I hate phones.
The feeling of not getting employed is the only motivation that I had.
GK, general awareness.
Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Becoming. So this video is going to be a really fun video but also very informative for all those preparing for banking exam or any other competitive exam. क्योंकि जो मेरे साथ के training officers हैं, they have answered your doubts and also their point of view for the exam and exam strategies. So let's get started. So what was your favorite study source?
Favorite study source? You want me to go subject wise?
Anyway.
Yeah, so for GK, that's general awareness. Okay. I refer to Persian classes. Okay. That's one I would recommend, absolutely. And Kush Lamba was one for reasoning.
Study source maths, Ashish Arora. Reasoning self, English self.
For reasoning I didn't have a mentor, I was just practicing.
Okay.
For quant I got classes from Mahindras initially, and then I managed to get like a pen drive from Study IQ, I believe. For interview session I went to IQ.
Were mocks. I always gave mocks.
Okay.
Say Ankush Lamba.
फेवरेट स्टडीज टेलीग्राम पे अंकुश नाम सर थे और स्टडीफाइड.
On YouTube I consulted various sources. I was basically gave mocks and then I rectified all my.
Most challenging topic or subject?
GK, general awareness.
I hate phones.
You
I
hate
will
phones?
hate it for the rest of my life.
Subject.
General awareness.
General
I never
awareness.
scored marks in general awareness.
I think reasoning was the most tough.
General awareness.
Quant.
Like how do you stay motivated पूरे preparation की journey में या फिर जब long study session में?
So it's like that कि आपको when you are about to be 24-25 you have to do something. वर्क प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है, होम प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है, बहुत चीज़ें बढ़ जाती हैं. So yes.
I think I took some breaks during my preparation. So and also the end goal was quite big, so that was the motivation.
Okay.
गौतम सर थे, आशीष गौतम सर. और एक हर लेक्चर से पहले एक लाइन बोलते थे, तो वो चीज़ करती रहती थी मोटिवेट. मैं सुनता था, मजा आता था, पढ़ता था.
In phase में.
Salary slip. Always got salary slip and it will motivate you.
Okay.
Feeling of not getting employed is the only motivation that I had.
Okay.
I go for walks, so I love watching the sky. So that is one source of motivation that I have. I
Okay.
loving nature.
So what was your mock test strategy?
Mock test strategy. My main strategy was that initially I prepared for mains,
Okay.
and for pre I just prepared for a month or so, and most of my preparation was for mains, so it covered pre.
It started with the mock test starts with English, so I love the subject. So that gives me strength to go forward. Then for reasoning, so I referred to I started with puzzles first, and then I did all the one markers and then like that. And for quants, so God help me for that quants thing. I have no clue about quants. I just did it as I went, just to pass the section.
Mock test was always like choosing the right questions on right time. Like always manage your time and then choose right questions. If you do it right, then you will score good marks.
टेस्ट मैं देता था, हर रोज एक प्री का मॉक दे देता था, हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन एक मेंस का मॉक दे देता था.
Test series, and before exams I used to try to attempt multiple test series which are available for free on multiple websites. So in that way I was able to get multiple sources and I could verify that, because if you're just gonna go with one subject, one test series, then you're gonna get the repetition of the questions and the types of questions. So
Okay.
if you have multiple information sources, it's always better.
So I usually gave mocks during the weekends, and all the rectification and revision was done in the weekdays. So I tried to do 2 mocks on a single day and 4 in the entire weekend.
स्ट्रेटेजी ऐसी थी कि मैंने वो क्वेश्चन पहले अटेम्प्ट करता था जो क्वेश्चन मैं अटेम्प्ट कर सकता हूँ, मतलब जो मैंने रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस की थी, और जो क्वेश्चन जो पैटर्न्स मुझे याद थे जिस क्वेश्चन की, वो क्वेश्चन मैं पहले अटेम्प्ट करता था, और बाकी जो बच जाते थे उनको लास्ट के लिए छोड़ देता था. बट मेरा ये था कि स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी बहुत अच्छी थी. मैंने मॉक टेस्ट इतने ज़्यादा मॉक टेस्ट देते थे, जो भी फ्री मॉक्स आते थे हर प्लेटफॉर्म की, वो सारे देता था मैं। तो इसकी वजह से स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी इतनी अच्छी हो गई थी, तो मुझे पता चल जाता था कि क्वेश्चन को देखते ही पता चल जाता था कि ये क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है, इसको स्किप करना है। तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था, यही मैंने किया और यही काम।
Any mock test platform you want to suggest?
Mock platforms, the one I loved the most was Practice Mock and Olive Board. And Testbook if you can.
I refer to a lot of mock test sources. Like I had Smartpedia was the best one that I gave. Then I always used to give test book for prelims, and then Olive Board live mocks. So there are many that you can refer to.
Other than test book, I used to just Google IBPS tests and whatever comes up, I'll just attempt it.
I use textbook mocks. So
वैसे मैंने पूरा जितने भी एग्ज़ाम्स दिए, इंश्योरेंस और बैंकिंग एग्ज़ाम, सारे मैंने ऑलिव बोर्ड से दिए, तो मैं ऑलिव बोर्ड ही सजेस्ट कर सकता हूँ। बाकी फ्री मॉक्स जिसके आते हैं, गाइडली के आते हैं, स्मार्टपेडिया के आते हैं, अड्डा 247 के आते हैं, टेक्स्ट बुक के आते हैं, सारे मॉक्स दे दें।
What was your go-to stress buster activity?
Stress buster activity is drinking tea.
Walk.
Okay.
playing cricket, and sometimes I hung out with my friends. So
Playing with dogs. I have a lot of dogs at my place, so I play with them.
Basketball, watching anime.
I used to always have a fidget spinner. I used to keep spinning it whenever I feel stressed. That worked for me.
वो मेरे दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस पे कॉल करो, दोस्तों के साथ 1-2 घंटा बात करो बस।
What is your like favorite quote?
Favorite quote is "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." It is by Seneca. Yes, that is my favorite quote.
Be no pain, no gain, because you know when you study alone, it gives you a lot of pain and.
True.
never give up.
It's not who you are, it's what you can do.
Don't be afraid of the unknown. Just enter into it and conquer it.
Very nice.
it's like it's not over until it's done. So
So my one message to anybody preparing for this exam is you just keep on giving exams. Don't stop. Just keep giving any exam which comes your way. Don't discriminate among the exams. This is not for you and this is not my cup of tea. Just give it, just for the sake of giving it.
One message is be consistent. Everyone who is consistent will crack this exam, and everyone who will give up will never crack the exam. That is the only motto to crack this exam.
Just do something worthwhile. It doesn't matter that you do something like what you dream of. Sometimes you just get into things and make them your dream.
Keep going at it. Dreams do come true, and there are lots of stages in life, so don't get demotivated, irrespective of the surrounding. It will happen.
मैं ये देना चाहूँगा कि चिल रहो, आराम से लो एग्जाम, ये इतना ज़्यादा टफ नहीं है, आराम से लो।